Well, officially it's still fall, but it's sure been looking and feeling a lot like winter this month.
Yeah, we had that record low earlier this week. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko working for you with just how cold it's been.
Well, Nick and Ciara, on a number of days this month, we've seen temperatures running around 10 to 20 degrees below normal. Winter doesn't officially begin until Sunday, December 21st. But last week we had a winter storm that dumped several inches of snow across western Massachusetts. And now we're dealing with the cold and the wind.
It is bitter cold, and it's the wind, actually, I think that's really making us feel it even more. And it seems pretty early to be this cold.
Our average high temperature for this time of year at Westover Air Reserve Base in Chicopee is 40 degrees, and our average low temperature is 25. And so far this month, temperatures have been pretty much running below average.
Yesterday was our first time actually pushing into the low 40s. So far this month, we got to a high of 43 degrees. We've also broken some overnight low records as well. Just 2 days ago, we got down to 3 below zero in Springfield. So very impressive cold for the month of December.
Some people braved the wind and the cold at Forest Park in Springfield Thursday.
Yeah, we bundle up, extra layers, and we're careful to watch out for the ice. Falling is probably the biggest concern.
And it's been so cold recently, there's still quite a bit of snow still on the ground from last week's storm.